Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of What's in My Young Living Monthly Wellness Box. I have another box that just came in. This time was filled with free items from Point Redemption and then a couple of items that I paid for. So again, not in my office, on my sofa, pillows thrown around haphazardly. This is what you get. So let's go ahead and get started. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. All right, so free items first. Got some points, needed to redeem them. Running low on my Thieves laundry detergent. So this looks like the world's smallest container of laundry detergent. Let me just tell you how far this goes. It's extremely, extremely concentrated. So this cap right here, we don't even use a full cap on a full load. We use like a quarter to a half cap depending on how full the load is. And we do not have a high energy efficient or high energy washer. So you can actually use less if you have one of those. But this stuff is the bomb.com. Fragrance free, but it is scented with essential oils. It's a light lemony scent. And I just made mine last a lot longer by actually diluting it with water, and it still cleans the clothes effectively. If you're doing a load of like sour towels or stinky workout clothes or whatever, gym clothes, then you can actually either increase the concentration, or you can add Thieves household cleaner. You can add essential oils. Purification's a good one. So this stuff, I was super skeptical at first of how small it was. I was like, that's not going to last. It's amazing stuff. So that was free. I got a Omegagize supplement. I ran out. This is our fish oil supplement, which has way less than the standardized safe amount of mercury that can be found in fish. So you just want to make sure if you're buying cheap fish oil from the grocery store, you may want to stop. You may want to invest in a really good quality omega supplement. So this is Omegagize, and it has vitamin D, vitamin E, and omega fatty acids, and coenzyme 10. So CoQ10. Yeah, CoQ10. So I take 2 of these a day. You can take 4 a day. You can take more than that. I probably should be taking more than that because my brain fog from pregnancy. I don't want to have mama brain forever and ever. So I'm going to have to probably up my quantity of Omegagize. Okay, 3 free oils. I was running low on these 2 citrus beauties, lemon and orange. You cannot run low on orange during the fall season. It's in so many diffuser blends with cinnamon bark, nutmeg, clove, all of those fall scents. Orange just kind of adds that extra pumpkin spice kind of smell to it. So this is primarily how I've been using orange, but you can also use the orange vitality. You can cook with it. You can ingest it in your water. And all citrus oils are they're like liquid sunshine. So lemon, same thing. It's even more of a staple in this house than oranges. Can't go without it. It's in a lot of my blends that I use, and I was shocked to see that I hadn't purchased it in a while. I also like to clean with lemon, so I put it in my Thieves household cleaner, and there's so many different cleaning purposes just for lemon, so definitely wanted to stock up on that. And then I just ran out of Gentle Baby, and hello, can't have that, need Gentle Baby. So I had been putting it on my belly along with my body butter by KK, but this is also a really good one to diffuse and to use with babies. With infants, you definitely need to dilute. There's a proper dilution ratio for infants, all babies, even children, but this is a pretty mild oil. It just still needs to be diluted with infants. So just a side note. Okay, a couple of items that I bought because they are not point eligible. I needed some of the Einkorn Flour. So Eric and I try to go gluten-free. We're not 100%, but this is not gluten-free, but it is a flour that has only 14 chromosomes, whereas like today's wheat has like 42. So a lot of people have issues with how we've genetically modified our wheat, and so they can actually tolerate the einkorn flour when they can't tolerate regular flour. Now this is not saying that for celiacs, who they definitely have a like extreme gluten intolerance, but we had at convention some muffins that were really, really tasty and made with this flour. So I'm looking forward to making those muffins. So I'm gonna have to get on the ball because I know I'm not gonna wanna bake once Jackson's here. And last but not least, they were having a sale on these, so I stocked up and got 3, $9 a piece. I don't know if they still have them. If they do, go get them. I love the Satin Mint facial scrub. I know they reformulated it. The reformulation is gluten-free. I think this one does have like some like wheat germ oil in it. So if you are severely allergic to gluten, go with the reformulated. But these are on sale for $9 and I freaking love it. It lasts for a long time because you use very little, because I don't exfoliate every day. I exfoliate probably every 2 or 3 days, probably every 3 days. And it leaves like a cooling peppermint sensation on your face, and it kind of sloughs off that first layer of skin. Like right now, I just have clean skin. I didn't put any makeup on except for what was already on my eyes. So I know that I can go in and use this after I wash my face off tonight. So anyway, those are just a few more of the products that I got for either free or a small fee. I will be coming at you with one more video this month as Eric's order comes in. And I still plan on doing these videos once Jackson is here, just whenever I can. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have questions about any of these products or anything else Young Living carries, I love to teach about it. So I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will see you guys again later.